You are in your 20s. You are good money want to earn college fees, parental expenses, as well as your career extreme want to level up. But the problem is that you always go back. The same comes to common options of freelancing needs, like thumbnail designing, video editing, and after a while, your either skills in it need or too much time. And both these are the things you don't have at this momentous, but don't worry. I have started one series in which you, even with zero skills, you can earn, and would have Claridam. This is not a tab to earn videos. Neither do I refer you to anyone I'm going to be confused. Here too I am going to show you real ideas, with the help of which you can descend from the amount you can earn up to lakhs. But yes, hard work and working with a mix of both dedications will have to. So welcome to Earn Without Skill Series, Episode 1. Episode 1 idea, it's simple. Here's some popular game stake inspiration. Your creativity in ETOD and create a new game. After that, we have 2 clears of earnings there. Will be methods that we video about. We'll talk in the end. So let's start by creating an app. Have you ever played Candy Crush? Will happen or about it sometime. We must have heard from this game. Today in India and take inspiration from this. Gamma version, or say make a native version there. Are now on to creating the AI. Should have good coding knowledge hold. But many in today's time there are AI tools that you can easily use using only one prompt. From you can create an application that too for free. You can use any tool, booty. I'm a user of Code Flying Beak. As soon as we create an application from it, you can also test directly on your phone and at the end of the video. I am with Yatwo 3 in real life of making applications. We'll also tell the use case. Now let us first to create the application. So Code Flying to any of your browsers I have to open. Do it on the phone then, in PC. After this here, you will see a very simple interface. Below lots of inspiration for you examples of applications. Will also be shown on the left side. You have some more options. You'll see things like my apps or earn generations using which you Code Flying you can use it for free. Now the application to create, I simply create new app I will click on, after which the center here a prompt box will open. Where's just explain your idea to Ushapans. But this work also. Manually not going to, but I chat GPT sub will use. I adopted chat. GPT idea explained in chat by GPT generate. A nice prompt for Megavan now copy. This prompt and I code paste it into the flank and create now I will. Click on followed by the code flank analyze your idea. Well, we'll clarify some questions. From will do like. In my case, it's the target of the game ask about the audience and the overall ideas. Now either you can confirm a tour, share your own idea. Can now because I like this suggestion. If so, I would have simply confirmed item after this same process 2-3 times it will be repeated and finally your application will begin to form. So let's wait a little to know. You can see that our application is ready. So I simply get We'll click on started, after which you will see a very simple interface. On the left side, you have a chatbot. We'll see what does it matter to you. I will tell you further, and on the right side, day preview of your application will appear. Scan this QR code given on the side. You can directly download this application. You can use it on the phone. So let's go now test your application on the Finiriok. So the application is pretty well built and coded flying sound effects in our game also added. But still, someone the miso thing seems to be lacking. Therefore, because it doesn't have that Indian touch, Yeeth has come to solve this problem. Will use this chatbot. Here too will simply write that the application is enough. True, but to give it an Indian touch, get in-game candies from Indian food replaced with pani puri, idli dosa, momo, etc. And as soon as we write this, the app will start modifying again. So let's wait a little longer. Okay, now our final application is ready. And it's exactly as I thought it is. Now, if you want this application, you can also download the complete code. You can also publish your app. Now if let's talk about application data, then you too very smooth using the admin page can manage next to the applications tab and you will find admin tab. From where you to your users to the levels of the game to level food. To progress and even easily change, modify. You can also edit or add new elements as no. After the game is built, we have earnings. There will be 2 clear ways of earning. The first way is to launch the game. Making reels and short videos of it will promote and can earn money from iTree. Another way is that game which we direct from a popular game then recreate the game, taking inspiration from it to the company of the same game.